This so nasty. This is by far the worst ever looking leather I've ever seen on the history of Chemical Guy's YouTube channel. This thing is absolutely disgusting. It's covered in all kinds of dirt, grime, body oils, spills, food stains. I think this is honey, syrup, I don't know, but you got a little bit of everything going on in this leather. And today I have the honor of showing you guys how great our leather cleaner products work to clean up this super dirty leather. Super dirty leather. Try to say that fast. Super dirty leather. Super dirty leather.
Super
dirty.
Red leather, yellow leather.
Red leather, leather.
Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather.
Red leather, yellow. All right, guys, so in order to achieve the deepest clean, we actually went ahead and pulled out the whole back seat and just check out how filthy this thing is. It wouldn't be a Chemical Guys video without a good old-fashioned blue tape special. Have it like this. Cleaning this is so easy, like I can actually do it with my eyes closed. So now we're gonna do our blue tape special. Just kidding. My eyebrows!
Oh, God.
Where'd they go? And yes, guys, of course, I am gonna be cleaning the much dirtier side because I know you guys definitely wanna see that. So we're just gonna go ahead and tape this down very nicely and we're gonna get on with the cleaning. So we're just gonna make sure that this is thoroughly put down, that we get a hard before and after. And now we're gonna start cleaning it, and the choice of cleaner today is gonna be our leather cleaner, and we also have our nifty leather brush right here. Now this brush is actually great because it's gonna allow us to agitate the surface, achieve a deep clean, because one thing you may notice, especially with leather, is that leather does have a texture. So if you guys take a look up close, if you spray the cleaner on there and wipe it with the microfiber towel, yes, it'll clean it, and yes, it'll do a great job. But if you really wanna get the deepest clean, you gotta get into every little nook and cranny. Just kind of when you shower yourself, right? So you just get a bar soap and wipe yourself down. Yes, that's gonna clean you, but if you really want that deep clean, you gotta get the loofah and start scrubbing. Get the back scratcher, scrub the back, get all that.
Damn, Joey.
All right, so we're gonna grab our leather cleaner, and typically what I like to do, just because, you know, this leather is perforated, I don't like spraying directly onto the surface, but I am gonna be spraying directly onto the areas right here where there's not perforations, and I'm gonna kind of drag the product onto the area that's perforated. So I'm gonna grab the leather cleaner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start spraying this directly onto the surface. And I'm also gonna spray some directly onto the bristles of the brush. That way we get more of a lather, more of a deep clean. And right away, we're just gonna go ahead and start working it in, scrubbing in the product, and just breaking down all the embedded dirt, grime, and body oils that this leather has accumulated over the years. So you can see right there, I'm not entirely sure what kind of stain that is. I'm assuming it's some kind of food, I hope. If it's something else, you know, thank God I'm wearing gloves. But we're just gonna go ahead and scrub this away. We're gonna start wiping down the leather very thoroughly, getting rid of all the embedded dirt, all the grime, all the body oils, everything that could have possibly built up on this leather over the years. All right, guys, so we're gonna move on to the perforated area over here. So what I like to do is spray directly onto the brush and just start scrubbing the surface, just because I don't really want too much of the product to get into the perforations. So by doing so, you kind of avoid a lot of the product and the liquid from getting into those perforations, avoiding you from having to, you know, go back into every little perforation and wipe down every single one, because I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of nearly impossible. But, you know, if you have the time to do so, knock yourself out. But as you can see, this brush does an incredible job at softly agitating. Oh, damn, I didn't even see all this right here. The brush does an incredible job at softly agitating the leather, so that way you're not actually scratching the leather, because the last thing that you want to do is scratch the leather, especially when you're just trying to clean it and give it a thorough cleaning. This brush is great, and I personally love the fact that we now have it available in this like nifty handle. Before we had like the bigger one that you kind of grab with your whole hand. Now you can just kind of grab it with the handle, giving you extended kind of cleaning power right there. And if you want more agitation, just grab the head right there and give it a scrub. Wow, this is actually cleaning up pretty nicely.
I'm surprised.
No, I'm just, I'm surprised at how little effort it's taking. I thought I was gonna have a run for my money. All right, guys, so now we're gonna move on to the worst part of the leather, which is gonna be this little bolster right here. So we're gonna spray directly just because it's a non-perforated area. And we're gonna be generous with the spray just because it definitely looks like it needs the cleaning power. Just because, like I said, this brown, yellowy stuff, I actually don't know what exactly it is, but like I said, I'm wearing gloves, so that's a great thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and scrub it, get rid of all the embedded dirt, all the embedded oils, whatever kind of food stains and spills and liquids or whatever kind of stuff this is. Hopefully it's not feces, but you know what? Leather cleaner gets the job done. All right, guys, so it looks like I'm basically just about done scrubbing. As you can see, I got foam all over the place. I got it on my brush, got it on my gloves, and I got some of it on my shirt right here, if you guys can see. But now we're just gonna grab a soft microfiber towel and start wiping off all the residue of the leather cleaner and any kind of dirt or grime that the product has extracted. And right away, guys, this thing is absolutely looking way better already. I might actually go back into this and attack some other areas that I missed. Nothing big, just like, you know, little things around this little isofix. All right, guys, so I just finished wiping down this side of the leather that we ended up cleaning up. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the tape to show you guys the before and after. Hopefully it looks pretty clear. Damn. Wow, and wow. So you can already see a pretty drastic difference right there, just from the overall color, not even looking into like the stains or the dirt, grime or anything like that. You can actually see a huge difference in, you know, the color of the leather. This right here is dark because it's all covered in dirt, grime, and body oils, whereas this side is actually bright and light, and the tan color that this leather should actually look like. All right, guys, so as you can see, the leather looks nice and new all over again. Now, one thing that we did forget to mention is once you're done cleaning your leather, typically you're gonna wanna apply some kind of conditioner to it, just as if you would when you take a shower, you would wanna apply some kind of lotion or sunscreen. In this case, we'd be following it up with our leather conditioner. This is great, and to keep it simple, it's like lotion for your leather. So what is it gonna do? It's gonna restore the soft and supple feel. It's gonna make sure that your leather is not dry and that it's nourished and it feels like, you know, like I said, soft and supple, nice and smooth, not greasy or nothing like that, but just maintain it and offer it the essential vitamins and nutrients that it needs to thrive. And all you need to do to apply this is apply a couple drops onto a soft microfiber applicator like this one. I like to start off with about 4 drops, blot it out, work it in, and just massage it in like lotion. But besides that, guys, we will be going ahead and continuing cleaning up the rest of this side of the leather and conditioning the entire thing. If you guys were interested in any of the products that you guys saw in today's video, they actually are all part of one kit. This is gonna be our leather care essentials kit. Everything is included, including the brush, the towels, the applicator, the leather cleaner in a 16 ounce and a leather conditioner 4 ounce, which honestly, the leather conditioner 4 ounce a little bit goes a very long way. The only thing that is not included in this kit is me and the tape. My eyebrows! But if the price is right, I mean, shoot your shot. But besides that, guys, yeah, make sure you visit our website, chemicalguys.com, if you guys want to pick up your leather care essentials kit. Besides that, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you on the next one.